Hello guys, welcome to my online tips. I want to share with you a gift this season, and the gift is sure to us on daily basis for free between now and Christmas. And that will be a straight 7 days, making it a 1 week of free premium service for all of you that's been with us for the past months since we started this channel. So let's get started. Remember to share with your friends and also hit the like button so that other people can also see this game. Okay, the first game we have today is in Spanish La Liga, and also Spanish La Liga 1 and 2. The first game is a game between Atletico Madrid taking on Getafe. And our prediction here is under 4.5 goals at full time. Do not forget to like this video, hit the like button, and also share with your friends. Don't worry, I will share the Sportybet booking code towards the end of this video. Then the next game we have is a game between Elche taking on Mirandes, and my prediction here is on the 3.5 goals at full time. Then the last game I have is a game between Espanyol taking on Burgos. So I will stake my own with 300,000 there. For those people that wonder which betting platform I'm using, it's called betwinner.com. So if you want to join me and bet on Betwinner, I will leave my promo code in the comment section and also the description of this video. Use my promo code, which is Moneyline all together, and register. When you register with my promo code, you get 200% sign up bonus, and also other bonus that follow. Okay, moving on, let me share with you this is the game. So let's go back to Sportybet, and then I'll book this game for those people using Sportybet. Remember, it's a popular league. You can play this game in any betting platform. So this is the booking code for the game, 2 odds. So tomorrow I'll also share with you another short 2 odds. And remember, it's a gift for this season for you to raise money and enjoy this Christmas season free of charge. So just do one thing for us: hit the like button and also share with your friends. These are all the games, and then I added one game here from Italy Serie C, where Virtus Entella is taking on Juventus under 23 FC. So that's all, 2 odds, and I will see you tomorrow.